What's up, guys? This is Theo here. Welcome to FreeCode Camp Introduction to jQuery Part 2. So we're on change the CSS of an element using jQuery. So let's get started. So it says your target one element should have red text. Okay. So we'll grab target one, and we'll do .css, and then we pass this an object with keys and values. So we'll say a color of red. You should see it change. There you go. I'll just close this off at the end, and that's how you get some CSS. Next up, disable your target one button. So the way we do this is we'll say, well, let's actually do a method chain on here. So we can actually method chain on a bunch of these. So we can do .prop. Well, I guess we don't want that one. Never mind. So let's just grab, let's just do it this way. Target one, .prop, and then we grab its disabled property because a button has disabled, and we'll set that equal to true. We should see now it's disabled. Awesome. Next up, we're going to use .html. Basically, this lets you replace the contents of a div or a section with the HTML of your choosing. So what it wants us to do is change the button with ID target 4 by emphasizing its text. So we'll say target 4. We'll say .html, and then we'll say changed. And we should see this changed. There we go. Cool. And what does it say? Emphasize the text near target 4 by adding HTML tags. Sorry. So let's do H1 and H1. And see it actually takes styling. Run that. Sure the text is otherwise unchanged. Oh, my bad. Sorry. H1 target 4. Awesome. Adding HTML tags. What HTML tags do I need to add though? Let me see. Oh, sorry. The emphasis. And let's run that. There we go. Cool. Next one, guys, is remove element target 4 from the page using the remove. So we'll do target 4 dot remove, and this should remove this node from the DOM. Awesome. Next up, we will use append to, so your target 2 element should not be inside your left well. Your target 2 element should be inside your right well, so we'll do target 2. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll do target 2 dot append to. Where do we want to append it to? What node? We want to append it to the right well. Okay, so let's make sure this works. Let me submit that, and target 2 element should be inside your right well. Right well. Oh, sorry, it has an ID. So now it's moved over there. Pretty cool. And let's run that. Next up, let's clone an element. So it says a copy of your target 5 element should also be inside the left well. So we'll do target 5, and then we'll call .clone on that, and then we'll call .append to, and then we'll pass it the place that we want, the ID we want to append it to. So we'll say left well. Yeah, let's see. So target 5 .clone .append to, and let's run that. Copy of your target 5 element should also be inside your left well. Target 5 .clone. Target 5 .clone .append. Yeah, that's what I did. Oh, sorry. and 2. There we go. Let's run that. Awesome. And let me just see how much more we have. A few more. So what we're going to do now is your left well element should have the background color. Say dot left well. Show red background. So dot CSS. Pass this configuration object. Say background color. Give it the value of red. And then from there, what we want to do is, or sorry, not left well. Function should use the parent function to modify the element. Left well dot parent. Okay, so we can do call dot parent. So now it's just going to target the very outside container. We call it on the target one element. So we can do target one dot parent. Cool. And let's run to make sure that works for us. Cool. Next up, give all the children of your right well element a color of orange. So we'll say right well. We'll query the children, and then we'll pass it the configuration object, and we'll say color, and that's going to take a value of orange. Cool. Let's run that. Awesome. Next up, what we want to do is target the second element in your target element. So let's do dot target int child 2. So it's going to find us the second child. Should bounce. So dot add class. We're going to add the class animated bounce. And let me change that to target. Cool, so that indeed does work. And let's move on. Next up is we want to target even numbers. So we can do this by doing dot target even dot add class animated shake. Cool. Target. There we go. Now they're shaking. And let's see what else. Now we want to modify the entire page. So we're going to grab the body dot add class animated fade out. Everything should fade out now. Cool. And oh, sorry, animated hinge. Cool. And looks like, let me make sure we just finished with jQuery. Yeah, guys, so that's the end of jQuery. Next up will be these basic front-end development projects, and then we'll move on to JavaScript. So pretty excited for those. And hey guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and as always, please subscribe and support the channel. It means a lot. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.